In this video, we're going to cover how to create and customize a hip-style roof using the automatic roof tools. In order to generate a roof, there needs to be a structure for Chief Architect to build a roof over. This requires using the Wall tool to create an enclosed room. Once a room is created, Chief will automatically generate a roof over the structure. It is recommended to get the wall positions and ceiling heights set correctly before starting to adjust the roof. Setting the ceiling heights and positioning the walls are topics covered in several other training videos and in the built-in help for the program. Those topics are beyond the scope of this video. Once walls have been positioned and ceiling heights have been set, you can start working on the roof proper. There are two places within Chief Architect to control an automatically generated roof: the Build Roof dialog and the roof panel of the Wall Specification. Using these two locations, you can create a variety of different roof conditions. The first place to control automatic roofs is the Build Roof dialog. You can access it by clicking on the Roof Tools parent button and then clicking on Build Roof in the tool palette, or you can go to the Build menu, Roofs, Build Roof. The dialog that comes up is essentially the roof defaults. Another way to say it is this dialog is the starting settings for all new roof planes generated in the plan. Every time a new roof plane is generated, it will start with the settings found in this dialog. The first setting to look at is the Auto Rebuild Roofs checkbox. This checkbox is checked by default and makes it so every time you adjust something in the plan, it will automatically rebuild the roof to match the changes in the plan. This setting needs to stay checked if you want to have Chief automatically generate roofs for you. The next setting to look at is the framing method. Here you can set whether Chief frames the roof with trusses or rafters. Below that is the option to set a default or starting pitch for the plan. The out-of-the-box starting pitch is 8 and 12. This general panel also lets you control the overhang sizes for gables and eaves. On the structure panel of the Build Roof dialog, you can control the structural aspects of your roof. This includes things like setting the spacing for your rafters or trusses, as well as the thickness of the structural members. Be aware if you selected trusses for your construction method, the thickness shown on the structure panel is the thickness of the top cord and not the entire truss. See Roof Truss Defaults in the built-in help for more information about controlling the size of your trusses. In this dialog, you can also set the size and depth of your ridge beam if you're using a ridge beam, as well as your fascia and subfascia sizing. Back on the roof panel, I'll change the pitch to 4 and 12 and click OK. You'll notice in the 3D view, the roof has now rebuilt at the 4 and 12 pitch. By changing the default pitch, the roof planes will then update to the new pitch. Again, to change the default pitch, open the Build Roof Specification by going to the Roof Tools parent button, then clicking on Build Roof. In the dialog that comes up, change the pitch value. I'll choose 10 this time and then click OK. The roof will then rebuild at the new pitch. Using the Build Roof dialog will change the pitch for all of the roofs in the plan, but what if you want to have roofs of two different pitches? As I mentioned earlier, walls control how the roofs build over them, so changing the pitch for part of the roof means changing that pitch within the wall specification. I'll select the right-hand wall of the garage area and open it for specification. I'll click on the roof panel and you'll see there are many different settings you can use to modify the roof. The one we're focused on in this video is the pitch. Notice the pitch is currently set to 10 and 12 and there's a wrench icon with a red check mark. The wrench icon means there is a default this value can follow, and the red check mark means it is currently following that default value. In other words, when there's a red check mark in this dialog, the value matches the default pitch and the value will change as the default pitch changes. You can go ahead and change this value to a different value, and that will change the pitch of the roof just over this wall. So if I change the pitch value to 4 and 12 on this wall and press OK, the roof over the right-hand garage wall changes to a 4 and 12 pitch. I can then group select the top and bottom walls of the garage by holding down the Control key, or Command key if you're on a Mac, and clicking on each of the walls. I can then click on the Open Object button on the Edit toolbar to open both walls for specification. On the roof panel, I can again change the pitch to 4 and 12, but before I click OK, notice how the wrench icon no longer has the red check mark on it. This means the default pitch is no longer being followed and will be ignored if it changes. When I click OK, now all three walls over the garage are at a 4 and 12 pitch. If I then go back to the Build Roof dialog and change the pitch to 8 and 12 and click OK, notice how the roof planes over the garage did not change. That is because those roof planes were manually set to a 4 and 12 pitch, and those override the default value. If you decide you want to reset one roof plane back to the default pitch, you can do that by opening the wall for specification, going to the roof panel, and simply clicking on the wrench icon. Doing this will reset the pitch back to the default pitch, as well as put the red check mark back on the wrench icon. If you want to reset all of the roof planes back to the default value, you can use the Reset to Defaults dialog. To do this, go to the Edit menu, Reset to Defaults. In the dialog that comes up, change from first floor to all floors, and then check the checkbox for Roof Directives and Walls. This will reset all the walls in the plan back to following the default pitch. And those are the tools you can use to customize an automatically generated HIP roof.